Hey guys, I just wanted to update you on operations at night. Night flying, civil twilight, and night combined. Um, this all changes, and 4 months after publication in the Federal Register, so assume that's the end of January. So by the end of May, all prior waivers for 10729 daylight waiver and allowing you to fly at night will terminate by the FAA. The new rules will include new training and or recency. So if you're recertifying or taking your initial knowledge testing, there will be updated portions that will cover night flying. Now, as said, the FAA specifies that 44 days after it's published, they will have this training up. I'm sure you can find it on the Drone Zone from the FAA. But the rules stay the same. You have to have lighting that's sufficient for 3 statute miles. This applies to civil twilight and night flying. It has to be of sufficient intensity to avoid collision. And it has to have a flash rate sufficient to avoid a collision, which I believe the standard ones do now. I use the ARC 2s, but there are others out there that do the same. Or is it the ARC 5? I don't know. They both do the same thing. And they comply with the 3 statute mile. So again, 120 days after publication in the Federal Register, all 107.29 daylight waivers terminate. And if you want to fly at night, you will have to get the new updated training or recency testing that will be provided by the FAA. Just wanted to point this out. And it actually simplifies the system for us all. So, this is another good thing. Thanks for listening.